welcome to Lakshmi Ma'am Maths classes. 11th standard Mathematics, March 2019. The question 44A, subdivision A question. Prove that for any natural number n, a power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b, where a is greater than b. Proof. We use induction principle. On n. That is, if the principle is true for p of 1 and assume the principle is true for p of k, if we can prove p of k plus 1 is true, the statement is true for p of 1 and the statement is assume the statement is true for p of k, and if we can prove p of k plus 1 is true, then the statement is true for all the n. That is the induction principle. Using that induction principle, we check p of 1 is true or not. P of 1 equal to a power, we put 1 in the place of n. A power 1 minus b power 1. A power 1 equal to a, b power 1 equal to also b. Therefore, p of 1 equal to a minus b. This is divisible by a minus b. Clearly, a minus b is divisible by a minus b. Let us assume the principle is true for p of k is true. That is, p of k equal to a power k minus b power k is divisible by a minus b. This is our assumption. This is a power k minus b power k is divisible by a minus b. Therefore, a power k minus b power k can be written as some factors of a minus b. That is, lambda into into a minus b. Since a power k minus b power k is divisible, therefore a minus b into some lambda. A power k minus b power k can be written as lambda into a minus b. Put this statement as 1. Then now we have to prove p of k plus 1 is true. That is, a power k plus 1 minus b power k plus 1. P of k plus 1 equal to a power k plus 1 minus b power k plus 1. This can be written as, by the added power rule, a power k plus 1 p can be written as a power k into a power 1. That is, base is same, power can be added. A power k into a is a power 1, k plus 1. A power k plus 1 may be written as a power k into a. Similarly, b power k plus 1 may be written as b power k into b. And then now we are adding and subtracting a into b power k. That is, a power k into a minus b power k into b. We add and subtract a into b power k. That is, a power k into a, subtract a b power k, add a b power k plus b power k into b. Now we taking a common outside in this bracket. A power k minus b power k inside the bracket, a can be taken outside. Similarly, plus b power k can be taken outside in this bracket. In this statement, b power k into a minus b. B power k goes outside inside the bracket a minus b. From 1, a power k minus b power k can be written as lambda into a minus b. Therefore, a into lambda into a minus b plus b power k into a minus b. This is one term and addition, and this is another term. In both term a minus b is common. Therefore, taken a minus b as common factor. Inside the bracket a lambda plus b power k. Therefore, a minus b into a lambda plus b power k. This statement can be divisible by a minus b. Clearly, can be divisible by a minus b. So, which is divisible by a minus b? By method of induction, p of n is true for all the n. Therefore, a power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b. I think you can understand my class. Thank you for watching my class. Write any comment, any doubt in comment, and please share to your friends. Okay, thank you. Bye.